Lan y Lofft. Cael gwared o hwnna. Tyn ni'n stripan o fy nôl. And be chi'n ffindo? I'm up the loft and amongst many sheep. But what do you find under some of them? Look at this. Wow. What does this say? Western Industries Silver Plating Limited. Articles of Association. The Companies Act. Incorporated the 20th day of December 1947. Join the Palestine appeal. Lots of chance to do that. Leather goods. What's the date on this bad boy? (1951). What is this? (1448). (52). Mr. David Bell, number 52 Cardiff Road, Caerphilly. There with an all. Oh, sorry, you only can see my glove there, but there's loads of stuff here. This might take me a while in reading, but I'm blinking achau, boys, yn darllen. Negen gweithio, well fi nôl ati.